What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk to you about ticker HIRU. This one is a very unique circumstance. So over the last 5 days, it is up 277.78%. But I want to talk about why you need to add this company to your watch list and everything else you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So starting off, regardless of the company, I always like to bring this up because there's several OTC companies that like to take advantage of the system for the most part. So I like to bring up if any companies have done reverse stock splits. And as you can kind of see, this company has never done any forward nor any reverse splits. So that's generally a good thing. Looking here, they have had a lot of good volume, so liquidity is a very good check because that's one thing that you need for OTC. And yeah, definitely a lot of good hype, and rightfully so. Like I said, it's gone up quite a lot over this last little bit. Even at the time of doing this video, it is up 41.67%. So the CEO did take a step back in April, and so a lot of things have changed since there. Even looking at this description right down here and even the website, all of this has changed. So this is what they used to do. A lot of the equipment associated to this business is in fact being sold, as you can kind of see right over here. I believe I have that up. So it looks like they're being or wanting to sell it for roughly around $900,000. So all in all, that's pretty good. Shows that there's some value there at least. Market cap of this company right now is about 6.33 million. But what is really, I guess, hyping people up is largely because of a possible merger. And so when it comes to this, like I said, CEO took a step back in April. A lot of things have changed since there. And so this post seems to be very good due diligence and everything. So Viewmont did post this, goes over new websites and everything, but it looks like they also did change their actual business, what they do. So like I said, they pivoted. This is their new business model. So 3 different segments: business mining in Africa, gold trading, processing, that's based out of the UAE, so definitely good funding for that. And then over and above that, freight and warehouse services with 2 company-owned physical locations in Florida and California. So it is pink current and verified as of March 2024, like I said, around that transition. So this is all in all what they do. But of course, having the UAE and good funding in any business is definitely very good. Not the safest overall, but at least helps mitigate some of the risk. But looking under their website, so they do have the 2 kind of segments right here, so logistics and then gold mining. So I think it's the gold mining aspect that is really driving it higher. So they do have their corporate presentation 2024 all up here. So I'm not necessarily going to go through all of this, but this is the location. It's an okay corporate presentation for OTC. Take that with a grain of salt, of course, but it does say right down here that low production costs, strong cash flow and organic growth, low capex. So generally it seems good for an OTC company, but this isn't what's really driving it higher, rather what is being circulated right now. So based on Deep Blue Equity, it looks like a Australian mining company merging in addition to gold mining junior venture in Africa. So it looks like there is a probable merger target. So it looks like, based on the CEO of Hiru, said that it's kind of around or valued around 210 million, and it kind of brings up a unnamed Middle Eastern entity organized a 112.5 million bid. Actually, sorry, my apologies, I should pop this up. Bid for, and then is redacted, that refinanced the company at 21 cents a share last October, but that bid was unsuccessful. He and his backers returned with an 80 million cash bid, which was also rejected in March in favor of a cheaper bid from then redacted. So I think in reality, their pivot, which is kind of seems to be good. Gold is at all-time highs right now, so that also should really propel this stock higher. But it's the potential merger as well, so that's really driving it higher based on the valuation of roughly, I think it was 200 or 210 million. So in reality, this is where you could get things or shit hitting the fan in a very positive way. So with a market cap of 6.33 million, things could go up very, very fast. So yes, in essence, over this last little bit, it's shown some signs of life similar to 2021. So really it could go up back to where it was logically, but we'll just have to wait and see. But nonetheless, this is definitely one stock to add to your watch list. Pop over to StockTwits, give this individual a follow, see Deep Blue Equity 1, and then under right here, my apologies, so Investors Hub right here. So kind of refer to this post. I can actually put it in the description below as well for you guys to pop over, do your own due diligence and everything, because OTC companies, yes, everything in theory that I just mentioned could go according to plan, or it could flop. We'll just, it's kind of hit and miss sometimes. So let me know your thoughts on this company. Do you currently own it? And what's your thoughts? With all that said, appreciate all of you watching.